So hey guys, Ravi here and welcome back in my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to share with you how you can write a JavaScript code inside the Google Chrome and you can run, and how you can debug JavaScript code inside the Google Chrome. So from this video we are starting a new series, do you know JavaScript? Let's start the challenge. So in this series I will cover all the important topics of JavaScript. So if you want to connect with us, if you are interested in JavaScript challenges, so please subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, please like and comment. So let's start the topic. So to write a JavaScript code in the Google Chrome, first we need to open the Google Chrome. On this page you have to right click and go inspect. Now in this panel you will see the elements, console, source, network. There are many tabs. So there is a two way whether you can check your JavaScript code here. One is a console and the second one is inside the source. You have to click on this arrow button and you can select a snippet. Okay, so first we will check on the console side, where you can write a console.log. Okay, and you can just write hello world, so it will print hello world. So you can see in the console we can see that the hello world is printed. So by this way you can write some JavaScript code here, like we can write alert here. So you can see alert box is open with the first program name. So in the console side we can write our inline JavaScript code and we can test it whether it is working or not. If you want to write a full JavaScript code, so you have to go to the source and then you have to click on the snippet. And now on this window you can write a JavaScript code and we can run and we can debug also. So let's write a simple JavaScript code here. So to run this JavaScript code, we have to click on this button, enter, and you can see in the console the hello world is printed. Now if you want to debug this app, you have to click on this site and now again run this program. Now you can see we can debug this program also. Now let's add 2 breakpoint, one this one and then the second one, and again we can run. So you can see the first breakpoint and this is second breakpoint. So like this way we can debug our JavaScript code inside the Google Chrome also. So if you are new in JavaScript, if you are learning JavaScript and you are beginner of the JavaScript, so this is really helpful if you are not using any IDE. Okay, so by this way you can write your JavaScript code and you can test it also in Google Chrome. I want to tell you the second way by which you can run your JavaScript code in the Node.js. So for that one you have to click you have to create a new folder there and just open it into the Visual Studio Code. Open your terminal and inside you have to write npm init command, so it will create a node project. And now inside this project you have to create a single file, index.js. Now inside this index.js file you can write your JavaScript code. So to run this JavaScript code you have to use node index.js. Now you can see in the console hello world is printed. So using the Node.js also you can test your JavaScript code, or if you don't want to install the Node.js on your system, then you can directly open your Google Chrome and just inspect and in the console you can write, or you can go to the snippet and create a new snippet, and then you can write your JavaScript code here and just click enter. Also you can debug your application on the Google Chrome. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and comment, and if you want to connect with us, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.